Love the look of Pottery Barn furniture, but don't love the price? This IKEA hack is just for you. I picked up the small Rast dresser from IKEA and assembled the body of the dresser. Do not assemble the drawers. Next, find the drawer fronts and fill the 2 existing drawer pull holes with wood filler using a putty knife. Next, measure the drawers and split them into 3 equal portions, marking them off using a pencil. Repeat this to all 3 drawer fronts. Using a miter saw, set the depth of your saw until the blade barely cuts through the wood. I would recommend practicing this on a scrap piece of wood before tackling the drawer fronts. This will create the faux drawer look. When using a miter saw, always be sure to wear protective eyewear and secure the board with a clamp before cutting. Once the fronts are cut, assemble the drawers and begin to stain. To stain the drawers, I chose a stain and polyurethane mix to get 2 steps done in one. After the entire dresser was stained, I assembled the drawers and sanded the leftover wood filler away. After cleaning it with a cloth, I stained the entire drawer. Be sure to apply extra stain to the cuts you made in the drawer front to enhance the faux drawer look. After letting the stain dry for 24 hours, it was time for pulls. I made a pattern to make sure I placed the pulls at the exact same spot on each drawer. I did this by measuring down and across on the faux square, then divided the number to find the middle of the drawer. Then I placed my pull on top and poked through. This gave me the perfect pattern to drill pilot holes. Then I placed the pull on top and simply screwed it in. I love how this project came out. This dresser is so versatile now that it doesn't just look like it's for clothes. You could use it as a bedside table or even in your living room. Do you want to make this but don't have the tools? Don't worry, neither did I. I simply went to my local Home Depot and visited their tool rental center. There, I was able to rent the saw I needed for a super low cost and only for a few hours, just the time I needed to get the project done. So now, there's nothing stopping you from getting your dream project done. Good luck on your next DIY, and I'll see you in my next video.